said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You could miss it.
Full silicone hose kit today. You love it. So full silicone hose kit installed. Doesn't that look lovely? What colour? Purple hoses, Dynodaze. They are very nice, I do like them. Real good quality. Hopefully that's one happy owner. Nice Summit brace. If anybody wants one, give us a shout. So we know the benefits of coolant hoses, don't we? Obviously the silicone is better for them. The rubber perishes over time. Intake hose, oversized for better flow. It's not ribbed, so again, better flow. Boost hoses, harder, don't contract and expand on boost like the rubber ones do. Good modification, well worth the money. If you need some, give us a shout. So there we have it. We've got a dyno run with the hoses fitted. Print out here, nice. And we've made, yeah, a couple of brake horsepower, like 9 brake horsepower. That's all right, isn't it? That's going to be mainly due to this big one, turbo intake pipe. Yeah, so good result that. I'm happy.
Say it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.